Hello Porsche enthusiasts. Today I'm standing beside a Porsche 911. It's a G model 1977. This has been equipped with our brand new Dansk free flow system. The free flow system lets the engine breathe more freely and the sound is amazing. This car is equipped with a GT3 style dual center outlet, also available in an 84mm stock exhaust style version. Come join us when we take the car for a spin out in the hills around our headquarters here and check out the sound from the inside and from the outside.